It was very cold yesterday.
Paul and Lucy arrived 10 minutes ago.
Did you eat a lot of sweets when you were a child?
I got home late last night. I was very tired and went straight to bed.
When did your friends arrive?
What time did you finish work?
Tom has lost his key. He can't get into the house. Tom lost his key yesterday. He couldn't get into the house.
Is Carla here or has she left? When did Carla leave? I've done a lot of work today.
I did a lot of work yesterday. It hasn't rained this week.
It didn't rain last week. Have you seen Anna this morning?
Did you see Anna this morning? Have you seen Tim recently?
Did you see Tim on Sunday? I don't know where Lisa is. I haven't seen her.
Was Lisa at the party on Sunday?
I don't think so. I didn't see her.
We've been waiting for an hour. We waited for an hour.
Or,
We were waiting for an hour.
Jack lives in Los Angeles. He has lived there for 7 years. Jack lived in New York for 10 years. Now he lives in Los Angeles.
I have never played golf. I didn't play golf last summer.
It's been a really good holiday. I've really enjoyed it. It was a really good holiday. I really enjoyed it.